Alright, so we have our cover template. Okay, they have given 3 attachments: PDF, YouTube, general introduction about the book or site, and our PNG. So we need this one. Alright, so our size is 8.5 by 11 book, so we have to create this. Alright, so let's just download it and let's go to Canva again. Okay, now let's go to custom size. Okay, so we have entered our custom size provided by our paperback cover template. Okay, and create a new design. So let's just rename this book cover. Alright, and let me just drop this here. Now I have already prepared our my book cover, and I think it's here. Alright, it's here. Okay, but before that, let me just add some shape. Now let's create our book cover. And for the how my book cover is gonna be, I've already put my uploads. Alright, I just need to drag. There you go. So I have already prepared my book cover, and I'm gonna download this. As PNG is fine, as PDF is fine. Let's just download as both formats. Alright, so now we have already created our book. Now let's proceed to publish our book. Okay, so right now I'm in my KDP account right now. Alright, and if you want to know how to create, if you want a tutorial how to create your KDP account step by step, then please comment below. I will create a tutorial for all of you. Okay, so now let's create our book. Alright, so we press create here, and our book is paperback, so we'll just create paperback. Okay, and what's your book title? Well, I have already prepared my book title. Alright, and you don't have to subtitle, series, edition number. It's just optional, you don't have to fill this. Okay, in author section you can write your name and contributors also. So I'll just write my name. Okay, now for the book description, I have already prepared mine. Okay, entered my book description. Publishing rights, well, we're not using other people's books, so just select I own the copyright. There is an option for reading age also, plus this is optional, you don't have to do it, but if you want to fill the information, you can fill from baby to 18 plus. Alright, same here also, but this is optional. I'll just leave this because this notebook is for everybody. Alright, let's choose our category. Okay, and let's enter our keyword. Now keyword is also optional, but I suggest you and I recommend you to enter your keyword so your book ranks at the first page. Alright, all necessary information is filled, then you can go step save and continue. Alright, so if you don't have your SBN, you can use your SBN also, but there is an option publish without an SBN, so I'll just click publish without an SBN. Alright, KDP will take some time to upload your manuscript and your book cover also, so It will take time, but relax, it's their procedure. Okay, so our manuscript notebook PDF have already uploaded, but it's still processing our file. So in the meantime, let's publish our book cover. Now in our book cover section, we have two options. You can use cover creator to make your book cover. It's provided by KDP. Okay, so I'll just show you how the cover creator is, and I've already tried. It's it's amazing. Okay, you can just click continue. There's three options: from image gallery, from my computer, or skip this step. We have already create our book cover. I'll not choose cover creator, but if you haven't made your book cover yet, and you can choose this option. This is how the interface is. Alright, and if you don't like the covers, then you can insert your file from the computer. Okay, so I'll just choose upload my PDF file because I already have it. I'm already uploading my book cover. Now let's preview our book. Let's see how our book is. Okay, it says KDP is processing your manuscript and book cover to generate a print ready file. This requires a number of steps and can take several minutes. So once it's done, I will get back. We are doing a preview of our book. Alright, so we have our cover like this. They have provided the barcode. So far this is the result is. Alright, once you like the result, I'm fine with my result, so I will just click approve and we will proceed to our last and next step and save and continue. Now it comes in pricing. This is the cool thing that we can choose our price by ourselves. So, and by the way, this book will be available in all the marketplace. Alright, okay, and it says that standard color is not available. We have choose premium color, and now we have to again see the book review, how the result is. Alright, and we have choose a book cover which is different one. I've been facing few issues due to book cover. That's why I have created another one with the same template, but I have not tried anything here. Alright, and I have downloaded this thing and then choose cover creator, so to make it more easy for us and to save time also. Alright, and now let's see how the result is. Okay, so we are in our print preview right now and the page is still loading. So our result is like this. This is our book cover, and let's see the interior. Okay, so far I like the result. The result is fine for me, so I'll just click approve. Alright, let's go to our next step, save and continue, and our next step is pricing. Alright, so okay, we don't have any problem. Alright, now let's choose our price. Our price, it will be around, I think around 10 is fine. Yeah, I think 10 is fine. Okay, and once you are fine with the price, alright, and publish your paper book back. Okay, so we have successfully published our book and it's in review. You can see it's in review. Once your book doesn't have any problem, your book is successfully published in the Amazon marketplace, successfully available, then KDP's Amazon will send you an email. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial, and if this video tutorial is valuable for you, is helpful for you, then please like, share, subscribe and comment to this video. And until now, if you're watching, please drop a yellow heart or a yellow star, or you can comment that I watched till the very end. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.